Crystals are so much more than just stones that are slightly more beautiful than all the rest, and they have huge influence over human health, mood, and spirituality because of their properties. They are extremely old, and with their age they have absorbed a lot from the power and energy of the cosmos and the earth. That is why crystals are a commonplace in a lot of religious works of the world, and in a lot of traditional beliefs. People often attribute crystals with certain abilities they possess to help them in different activities in life. Actually, a lot of alternative medicine techniques are often supplemented by crystal healing since a lot of these practices have similar roots in nature and mind. For example, aromatherapy, reiki healing, meditations, or yoga. Especially yoga has a lot in common with crystals, since a lot of knowledge about crystals also stems from India. For example, how crystals correlate with chakras. Today we are going to take a look on what crystals can give to your yoga exercises, and we'll give you some advices on how you can improve your yoga with crystals today. Yet before you start using crystals in your yoga routine, you need to decide which crystals you will use. As we've already stated, all crystals have unique properties and abilities, so you can make a choice based on what your intentions and goals are. Here are some of the most popular crystals which we advise to use. Fluorite is a stone that can give you great focus and direction. If you feel confused about what to do in life or have a fear of what's to come, fluorite will help to stabilize your vision and understand your place in life and what to do. It is also a stone that will be able to ground you in reality. Amethyst is a very powerful crystal for banishing the negativity from your life. Known for millennia as a stone for fighting addictions and obsessions, it will help you become shielded from all the bad things around you, stay on the correct path, and find your inner peace. Rose quartz is just what you need if your heart is not in the right place. It is very well known to have a strong connection to the heart chakra and is often used to tune into the love vibes. That is why if you need a strong aid in your love affairs, whether it is finding love or strengthening your relationships, this is definitely a go-to crystal. Moonstone taps greatly into the feminine energy of the world through its connection to the moon, and that is why it is a crystal of life wisdom and intuition. It is also a stone that does great work for your mind, soothing violent urges, anger, and providing you with deep relaxation and clear thinking. Shungite is a powerhouse of protection from negative influences and outside threats, be it negative energy, geopathic stress, fatigue, anxiety, or irrational fears. Shungite's spectrum of properties is quite wide, and while using Shungite you can enjoy such effects as grounding, balancing of energy, relaxation, awareness, and so many more. It has a strong connection to the root chakra, so it can really help you in sorting out different areas of your life and provide you with great amount of energy to do it. So these are our usual suspects when it comes to choosing crystals for our crystal healing and exercising, yet they are not the only one. You can also use such crystals as citrine, hematite, tourmaline, crystal quartz, garnet, jasper, and many more. Just be sure to check out their crystal properties first. Now, what can you do to improve your yoga experience with the power of crystals? The basic thing here is that you should let crystal properties into your yoga routine. There are plenty of ways to do that. First of all, you can place crystals that you've chosen on the top of your yoga mat. That will give you their presence, energy, and properties while you are exercising. However, you can dramatically increase this presence by creating a crystal grid. Pick crystals which have properties that correlate with your intentions. Yet we advise to use crystals with similar properties for maximum effect. Then, pick a symbolic pattern which you feel drawn to. Lay your crystals down and activate the grid by touching every stone in your grid with a centerpiece, for which we usually use a crystal point. Then, simply keep your grid at the top of your yoga mat and enjoy crystal properties. Another way how you can enjoy crystal properties during yoga without having to deal with any kind of preparations is simply by wearing jewelry pieces with crystals. Such jewelry items as string bracelets are very comfortable to wear and won't lower your mobility. Basically, you won't even feel them. You should wear crystal bracelet on the left hand during your yoga routine, since the energy enters your body from the left side. To get to deeper connection with the crystal vibes, you can meditate on them during your yoga exercises. To do that, you should be in the posture in which your hands are free, for example the lotus position or the throne pose. Take similar crystals in your hands, clear your mind, and think about your intention. You can also use an intention-specific affirmation for better effect. Or even better, you can combine crystal meditation with full body relaxation. For that, you should lay crystal items on your body while you are in Shavasana pose. This way, you can plunge in even deeper meditation, getting closer to your intention and to the root of your possible obstacle. So these are our tips for improving your yoga with the power of crystals. With them, your yoga experience will become more comprehensive and will have much more influence on your life. Write in the comments which areas of your life you improve with crystals. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell so you don't miss our videos. Purchase crystals and enjoy the power of Shungite, the best of Karelian nature.